Marami sa atin ang natatakot kapag may empty houses sa chart. Akala nila may kulang sa buhay or destiny. Ngayon, titignan natin ang first, third, sixth, eighth, ninth at 11th houses at bakit okay lang nang walang planet sa kanila. Ang first house ay self, identity at appearance. Empty ang first house, hindi ibig sabihin hindi ka nakikilala. Empty siya dahil ang self-expression mo ay natural. Hindi mo kailangang ipaglaban or patunayan. Hindi ka nakadepende sa identity na nakikita ng iba. Buong buo ka na kahit tahimik ang chart na ito. Empty first house, natural self-expression, identity is already complete. Empty ang third house. Third house ay communication, learnings at siblings. Hindi ibig sabihin mahina ang communication mo. Wala itong laman dahil hindi ka pa ulit-ulit na tinuturuan sa basic communications. Mas mabilis kang matuto sa natural flow, hindi sa struggle. Ideas at learning style mo ay smooth, hindi force. Empty third house, smooth learning and communication, flow, not struggle. Ang sixth house naman ay work, routine at health. Empty ang sixth house, hindi ibig sabihin walang work ethic o health awareness. Empty siya dahil hindi ka pa ulit-ulit sinusubok sa daily routine or health habits. Mas flexible ka sa trabaho at sa wellness. Routine mo ay natural, hindi over-discipline. Empty sixth house, natural work and health flow, not force. Eighth house, transformation, shared resources at depth. Empty ang eighth house mo, hindi ibig sabihin mahina ka sa intimacy or finance partnerships. Wala itong laman dahil hindi ka subjected sa heavy life lessons sa transformations. Ang deep experiences mo ay optional, hindi compulsory. Power mo ay tahimik, hindi loud. Empty eighth house, quiet transformation, power without struggle. Ang ninth house naman ay philosophy, travel, high learnings. Empty ang ninth house, hindi ibig sabihin limited ang worldview or education. Empty siya dahil hindi ka pa ulit-ulit hinahamon sa belief systems. Travel, learning, and growth come naturally without forcing experiences. Empty ninth house, natural growth, exploration without struggle. 11th house naman tayo, community, friends, at goals. Empty ang 11th house, hindi ibig sabihin walang friends or goals. Wala itong laman dahil hindi mo kailangang ipaglaban ang social connections. Mas smooth ang friendships at group activities. Goal mo ay align sa natural energy mo, hindi sa pressure. Empty 11th house, smooth social connections, goal flow naturally. Tulad ng dati, empty houses ay hindi inactive, ginagalaw pa rin sila ng house rulers, transits, timing ng buhay. Hindi sila missing, tahimik lang sila hanggang kailanganin. Empty houses don't mean empty life. They mean mastered energy, natural flow at inner stability. Timing and activations matter. Learn why having no planets in these areas does not mean lack, struggle, or delay. Quiet energy is still powerful. Kung gusto mo magpa-reading privately ng birth chart, DM mo lang ako.